Hiya, I'm going to make a focaccia, just a little focaccia, but a gluten-free one with this Fioreglut from Caputo. So I've got the yeast already in the water, dissolved, and now I'm going to put the flour in there. This is really a no mess, no fuss recipe. This flour is very fluffy and light, almost looks like corn flour. Anyway, I'm measuring it out. Fioreglut Caputo put a recipe out for it, and I just follow similar process as I would for a standard focaccia. This is definitely a no mess, no fuss situation. You can see how liquid it is and how dense it is to incorporate. But now that I've got it mostly mixed, I'm going to add the oil. Thank you. Nice extra virgin olive oil, a local one, and a little bit of salt. We like the focaccia to have a little bit of a salty flavour. So I did put the salt in after the oil because I didn't want it to affect the yeast. Woo! This is really quite rough and ready dough. And you see I'm not really taking that much care of it. I'm not getting my hands dirty. And it's starting to come together now as a dough. And I'm going to leave it probably for about half an hour, and then I'll put it onto the baking tray, an oiled baking tray, and it can do a rise on there. See how we go, hey? You see the consistency? I'll keep you posted. I'll cover it up now. I'll just put a tray on top of it, and I'll come back in about half an hour, roughly. Yeah, see what it looks like.